All right, got to try out some new gear today at a new beach. Why not? So I just got this SoloShot camera. I'm really excited for it. Actually ordered it back in February. Some things got a little mixed up, and I just now got it. It's second week of October. I was chasing waves this morning and I ended up going a little bit too far north, but I found a beach that I've actually never been to before, which is getting pretty rare for me. And the waves are kind of small, but there's a perfect setup to put this camera up, and I have no clue what I'm doing. So I'm gonna set it up and try to SUP it, just to get a feel for it. Gotta walk before you run. So here goes nothing. SoloShot. It's got a dead battery. That's hilarious. Well, I will not be using the SoloShot. This is why you got to know your gear. This is a super cool spot. I'd love to see it when it's ridiculously huge. It wouldn't be surfable, but it would be really neat to see this whole beach be overtaken by the lake, and it would just fill up that creek. Basically got a mini Waimea river mouth right here. Although I bet if you would try making a standing wave out of that, you would probably be damn near arrested over in these parts. This ain't Hawaii. This spot is sick, dude. Oh, that was dumb. Outside on the left. Yo, that works. I straight went 1-footers on that last one. Yo, this is a sick spot. I'll be back. But for now, I'm going further south. Made it out. What? Quite close outy. Wind is just howling. Wow. Oh yeah. That was fun.